a breadfruit kind of Sunday. So we're back in the kitchen on a Sunday. So these breadfruit are already been roasted. Now they're gonna be fried. That's a mystery. So mystery, I'm gonna fry the breadfruit there. Hey. Ooh, these are pretty. I'm just gonna fry pretty breadfruit, guys. Breadfruit chocolate in a fry. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is how my breakfast is looking. Fried breadfruit, pizza, jerk chicken, plantain, the fried dumpling. Yeah. They don't want any egg, so we just warm up the chicken. Yeah. Good. Guys, it's a bit rainy today. The good thing about the rain, the academy can start open now. Yeah, got the tree loaded. And I've been waiting. Yeah. Look at that. A lot of ackee. So it's a wet Sunday and happy Sunday to you guys. Let's see what's happening in the kitchen now. Starfish and pretty. Wash nice and clean and pretty. well seasoned. That's pretty fish. So pretty. More fish to look right now. Alright. Rice and peas are ready. Nice to fish over here. So ready too. Fish pretty, man. Look at that, guys. On the pot already. Guys, remember I don't cook on Sundays, or most Sundays I don't. Let me put this. It's a rice and peas Sunday. Did you know that most Jamaicans cook rice and peas on Sunday? It's a national Sunday dish. Yes, rice and peas. But some Jamaicans don't follow tradition, they cook something different. And most times I don't even want rice and peas on a Sunday. Yeah. Alright, one plate down. Second plate. Ta-na-na-na. So, Miss Jen finished cook and we should rest. Look at gravy. Second plate. The next plate. Where is it? So this strip off. Damn. So this is my plate. Not really a gravy person, so I won't put much gravy on it. There you have it, rice and peas with sliced fish and pear. Not much pear though. And so pear, fish, rice and peas. It's so good. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. Woo. Mm-hmm.
Don't run! Murife! Murife, don't run!